Me ba asem we baba be kire mu ye. Ayere so a ebedu ebnada beye 1 p.m. na Chief Justice ye yi. Conclusion on count 1 to 3. On the submission so far made, the expenditure made from public funds to pay for the Chief Justice's holidays, together with her spouse and daughter, the per diems paid to them, and also the interest were illegal, as it is unconstitutional. I am repeating. You know, be anti be pen this. On the submission so far made, the expenditure made from public funds to pay for the Chief Justice's holidays, together with her spouse and daughter, the per diems paid to them, and also the interest were illegal, as it is unconstitutional. It is therefore of no moment that the Judicial Secretary administers the funds, or that the Chief Justice does not buy tickets, or it is a signatory to the Judicial Service. It is further submitted, although the charge in count 3 contends that she failed to retire the interest, if the payments for the Chief Justice's private holiday travel expenses are contrary to law, no other payments, including the interest, can be lawful. Oh, hear me. In this regard, it is completely irrelevant that this charge focuses on the timing of retirement of the interest. Once there is evidence that the payment is not sanctioned by law, the committee is bound to take the point and make a finding on it. That is the law. Paragraph 5258. It is also submitted that even in the context of judicial proceedings, the point that unless a party has been given the opportunity to respond to a particular matter, no finding should be made against them is subject to 2 exceptions. These exceptions are that I, if the court in this case, the committee had before it all the facts or materials bearing upon the contention being taken by it, Omatro, a lawyer for Brofunbio, Sio Mutu, and 2, the point was such that no satisfactory or meaningful explanation or legal contention could be advanced by the party against whom the point was being taken if an opportunity was given him to present an explanation or legal argument.
So, he is
but baby, interference and tampering with judicial proceedings.
So,
interference and tampering with judicial proceedings. As already submitted, this charge is stated in counts 4, 5, 15, 16 of the petition. Evidence on the Chief Justice's interference with judicial proceedings was given by 1. Registrar for Kaswa of Angkor District Court. He appeared before the committee. He appeared before the committee. So by PW1. II, the acting judicial secretary, who appeared before the committee and labeled as PW6. III, deputy director ICT/E-Justice, who also appeared before the committee and became PW9. 4, secretary to the General Legal Council, PW10. Court manager, PW13. Secretary to the General Legal Council, RW2. Count 4 and 5. The charges in these counts deal with Jachi Kwesin's case. The charges have to do with the way the Chief Justice handled the complaint of missing records in the proceedings of 19th July 2024. The testimonies of PW6, PW9, and PW13 are relevant to the charges above titled. Paragraph 262. The facts relating to the charges made in count 4 and 5 are agreed by both the petitioner and the Chief Justice. The facts are documented and undisputed.
He is
It is the legal effect of the actions taken based on the established facts that require discussion. Paragraph 263. The evidence establishes that the Chief Justice was formally notified of the missing records by a letter dated 26 July 2023, Exhibit U4, before the Committee of Inquiry, by Justice Mary Mame Ekwia Yanzu, who presided over Jachikwesin's case. In her letter, she informed the Chief Justice that the court recorders were unable to retrieve court proceedings for the 19th of July 2023. This document was tendered in evidence by PW6. Paragraph 264. In making the report to the Chief Justice, Justice Yenzu acted on a memorandum from the Deputy Director, ICT/E Justice, dated 26 July 2023, that court proceedings for the 19th of July 2023 had disappeared. Exhibit Z.
Captain Smart.
This
Smart.
latter document was tendered in evidence by PW13, who also tendered in evidence other documents which confirmed without any doubt whatsoever that there was an issue about the record of proceedings of 19th July 2023. These documents are the kind of documents we are meant to assume. By latest, by Tuesday 1 p.m. I hear the Friday. But the Friday is show because of
the morning shows.
Nana Mejako.
He is smart.
Process. Okay. A letter dated 1st March 2024 from the Registrar of the General Jurisdiction of the High Court informing counsel for the prosecution in Jachikwesin's case that his request for the records of proceedings of 19 January 2023 in the said could not be retrieved. 2. The memorandum from the Deputy Director, ICT/E Justice, dated 26 July 2023 to Justice Yenzu, Exhibit Z1. A memorandum from the Court Manager to the Chief Justice, dated 27 July 2023, informing the Chief Justice, based on Exhibit Z, that although the proceedings of 19 January 2023 had been found, they had not been doctored. Hey! And 7-day Ghana. This our Ghana.
Morning shows.
4. A memo to the same effect as Exhibit Z1, Exhibit Z2A. 5. A memorandum from the Chief Justice to the Judicial Secretary and others dated 11th October 2023, informing them that the report had implicated Francis Bedin and Acheampong Prempeh in connection with the missing proceedings of 19 July 2023, and that the latter be queried and removed from courtroom duties. Exhibit Z3.
He is smart.
6. A memorandum from the Judicial Secretary to the Court Manager dated 12 October 2023, informing Court Manager that Chief Justice had directed that Acheampong Prempeh be relieved of her duties in the courtroom. 7.
Smart.
Correspondence dated 12 October 2023 from the Court Manager to Acheampong, informing her that she had been reassigned as process clerk. Exhibit Z5. Final on the said document. Memorandum from the Court Manager dated 16th October 2023, informing the Judicial Secretary that Acheampong Prempeh had been reassigned. Now, there being no dispute about the fact that there was an issue regarding the missing records and the steps taken in relation to the matter, it is submitted that the interference, the subject of counts 4, 5, and 6, raised 3 main questions. These are whether the involvement of the officials of the NSB, National Signals Bureau, in the context of the missing proceedings was lawful. 1. 2. Causing the arrest of the court officials implicated in the missing records matter was lawful. And 3. The refusal to inform the accused person of the steps being taken to retrieve the missing records is proper. And to Jachikwesin case ni na no edu baby no. Now no one in some of the court The bit me a board man can want to know, yes, I
Ajeta.
The academy fan can home. Yama up to Nana Manti. Up to Friday. Now, some Nessie. All other things being equal, but if I win count.
Captain Smart.
Katani a bit confidential. So the other part of it. You basically see yeah, they are no better. Mama Kwaba.
Yeah,
Maybe I find here. The next case. Hey, Almighty. Shoulder wine. Mabetrebu. Dislocation. Fracture. Disjointed. Dislocated. Ha. A doctor for me had more brofo. Come on. They be answered.
I say you did grow too much. Wait. You grow DNA, you do too much as of mine. So I say we are not paying attention to issues that are of national importance. And you pay attention to trivial issues. The man for so be any so. And on that say na ya set up committee ni ya kwa ye ni ya keka brofo ni ya sesika wo sad we ko wie na be free mumba. You see, I was paying keen attention to Justice Torkonu issue na Acheampong. Look, the independence of the judiciary and the independence of other bodies that work Ghana had no say no, it's at stake because of the interference of this whole political interference. Almost cite a very, very dangerous example. Time at Parliament, Parliament proceedings are after your market Dimrika call Supreme Court. Within less than 3 hours, na Torkonu Eden insists swaka says I deal with the Then it became back and forth. Emma Speaker Bufuye, because and he cited said no, the independence of the various institutions in Ghana, the judiciary, the legislature, and of course the executive, no, they are compromising with it. Nina kwakoye these same politicians now, and I undermining all these institutions. Why would Ghana spend time, waste time, resources, energy over an issue like this? Why Bonia? Why Bonia? That Supreme Court Nidia, Chief Justice Nidia, by appointment. And I see what I bonnet, and almost a more film. What could do a certain height be my and no cranny refuse to say reputational damages or whatever. Okoye Kokosiki for $20 million from ECOWAS court to say Ghana, ya say wudi, ya go any massy, ya buabo, ya boo and Tiana for Nina Kwakosifi. Yet decided any edit to 200 more, it will end up say Yewan, Yemrano, NCP. The loopholes in our system and our, of course, your constitution, you know, and no one key issue as a Yanshani and Kan Wasem Sisiana, Ubeko could debone and no constitution. What you charging? These are some of the funny issues we shouldn't sit on as a mind. Near Casabia, Yebabe deliberate on it. We shouldn't sit on as ABS and from when we have issues that are crying for attention. They should deal with it once and for all, without any fear or favor, because in the end, Ghana does not belong to anybody. The laws of Ghana is bigger than every single individual, including the President of the Republic. Is this a man say a Juma? Oh, yeah, why? A man say a Juma. What kind of interference are they shame a bit me? And a podcast be say, Chachuchi Kata. Tell me a cockatoo the two. Kufo on my penny that Kufo, anything possible, and much Chachuchi Kata Cocodemo. Also, by the presidential pardon, also on you because on your bonibia. And Pastor Sako Court, Okodibi. And the name Rabbi and Nesukai. And in the end, they didn't see it. Yes, so Sonia Masusa, we try some of the say there's a certain political influence ni interference be from baby na akwakọ say dey ma o baby na akwakọ twa nsanu bi dey ato ho no mo na ewia ne ye battle with ourselves. This thing will go a long way and it will come back to haunt us someday. It will be a shemra, ye niema, ye dibone, ye di samone, ye kwakọ. One day, this same thing will come and haunt us. The idea is to see what Range Hospital hold here, see a certain committee. And you're basically useless. Extremely useless. And I don't know why the health ministry will just spend time, spend energy, spend money, resources to set up a useless committee for what?
No problem. Nanama.
Captain.
Captain.
Captain. Chief Justice in Yama, what kind of reports, our kind of winning. My family was a pedestrian talker. The Mahosha gun and me. Street is so. Aha, Namakebi. Report you cry my yes, President Mahama best set up this committee. Petitioners day, one petition, Beko, Ama President Mohammed na Constitution. So, I forward the petition, the Ama Council of State. Ama I establish a prima facie against the Chief Justice, suspending nominee the admin. So, with your previous administration, yeah, Justice Torkonu, a Chief Justice. And Yama Bebre SEC, yeah, a dead digital gun and he said. The so-called independent institutions, I say, any independent institutions, BM. Akwakoye bibi to say, okay, no pay, no gain. Obi, and a apprenti abaye president. And what the president, no, wama mema kwenya. Ebi kura wa bonko fo bebre atra. And wa appoint me say mayor chief justice. Enti adwuma na meye no meye de ahye nipa na ni munyam. Ni wono mo say meye adwuma de asom wo man no. Se wo president Akufo-Addo baye ne first siege appointed no madam Sophia Kufu. Uwe na adwuma na wo ye okwa retirement justice be me ya wo baye kwa na wo de say. Oh papa yi. Enim ye boa. Uwe ne niema wo ye ya basa. Niema basa no so be ye sa no so de koye. And I just said justice Torkonu so beto aso. Ma mi ba ye hwe ye wa attorney general Godfrey ye boa da no Ghana ha say ya. Se omunu ginamu di ma state na so court judge wudi asem no se asem no nkoma na de betwe ne asesam judge wo ti case kwa na wudi enu so no se asem no a state no prosecutor na se eji no oman lawyer ne ginamu no ede ma state no se enconfirm Godfrey ye bu adame a wo se wo judge kro no yesesam not once, not twice. A CCC under Justice Torkonu get to Torkonu eso. Captain Meboa. See, I didn't know what's a basa. Okay. I didn't know what's a sister. No, they are noise. No, I didn't know. Madam, the castle me move fancy me. Oh, I didn't know what's a sister. And then she did not JBAK. Ya wa emraya ya de ya juma wa Ghana ha say. Ya wa mra wa parliament. Yeah, previous speakers no samra ko no mu dia ye adwuma political party bidimu and I call parliament and I be MP member of parliament party ni won hihye party ni won mra say amfie na ne edru ni esa akwa kanse wo kopri wuti wo parliamentary premise na wo lusu na wo kasa wo ko independent per party ni constitution party ni emra no wo say ye you free party ni emra ko na so wo parliament Professor Michael Renokwe you see your former MP or council independent. Drew your friend is a right on and back so now Samra Condikoye Duma MP before someone a what bem yen what power into the penny ye. Momu constitution na mutu 1992 we invite yes ye meka ye ya fa anya hwe ya ma enti mu constitution mu na mu di mu constitution ye adwuma ye de mu constitution ye fa anya adwuma bi enti na pa speaker say we declare seat a 4 vacant pa na chesa fenyo mark dia mi ka akọ court no we justice Torkonu when you dimi na when you posture when e ma na wo ye I keep on asking said seat declaration for seat na 1/10 say emra no constitution emra no o ma say no na say captain na so say emra no the speaker say the speaker ban backben e na gina na so ka say no constitution no e supremacy as chief justice and is a supreme court judges ya and catch us a muy yama basa tantanta move at 10 constitution no so na ban backben e de eye adwuma e to remind me when e maybe an ya seriously na time e pokwa no process start ye wa kire kwa se Ghana Judicial ni kwa no ankasa kwa wonjindi contempt nyina wonya bi Why na court wo Ghana ha say na say yedi na say set up committee judge say wo mo ntena na asem so a no ba ba ye press so ari na ni kuti ne nchen. No pick point, no raise issues. Judges no issues, no carry. Etimi chira kwa say baby ayekwa akodi masem. Ye koku mi wo fa ho no ntimi nko. Contempt. Ekwa was court na wo kwa so Ghana Judicial ni dia. Justice is no more Supreme Court so ji wo mu edia enko be kwa ekwa was so kwa 10 million compensation. E dey free ho.
No mind can ma. O say
what is your name?
Onje Ghana Judicial Service onje ndi. It want me here as Chief Justice. Because enko ogidi anko ekwa was court say say yebu na nimtia na suspend na fa enya mbra na no say the law is the law. You know when I say the law is the law. Now the law is the law, me na the law is the law na apply mami. We the Chief Justice, so the law is the law. We the law is the law na enka wana. E ka no captain. Ma me na ye niema hudu piase ka say ye bro so ha say ya. Oni ye friend say edoji tamakuru. Edi na Ghana Supreme Court afedu baabi no okọ court kura na che say ne aka unanimous FC na yam de na mosre unanimous FC ne aka na yam de na mosre because President Akufo-Addo e na appoint him eti pay masters eduma ne ye na Judicial Service no akwa se ye eduma de ama one way say eji court a na say wo judge no ye hwe na sasam no awudie no enkoma eji a e wo say de be Jesse Torkonu esesa wo e was say a state no case ba na say kwan bia so e was see ebuadema President Akufo-Addo ne MPP
and am santi I fa we nso wasem no no bia nkasem nua ba ne te wo na o keka nsem Emma Honorable Albert Kan Dapa
issues
the former National Security Minister can say kwan ya aban case bi o de be court bia ODBM no e de asem kase Bebra by no.
Captain, maybe a report ya was 400 pages. No many idea. The Ghana for your DNA and that Chief Justice, suspended Chief Justice. Get you Torkonu no on sem fata one kasa da na di. Ama Ghana for who say Judicial Service na kasa no. On only trust biya wom. On Jindi because Ojidia and Kayedwa for process mu emra be ni fa be 1902 constitution e fa be article 8 subsection cross no mnia dia dem e fa be na President Mahama evaluate e fa no obusu
and then subsection cross
ni cross ni who no cross ni who no e fa be na President Mahama evaluate ye petitioners di aba wa for due process wa hwem wa ye wa forward e di ama Council of State no hwenko for wom former Chief Justice your friend say former Speaker of Parliament Eduodo Ajaho Madam Betty Modudrusu all the 16 regions e wo wom reps o manam sifo hwempanifo ye kase ye bodi abempanifo a Council of State no wom ewomu omu nyina na tena asem no so e no wom say Madam Bay petitioners ni case na wom de ba mo hunu say asem wom enti o se ye hwehwe me investigation enye say ba ya na mo se an wo to opposition no wo so na bubu President Mahama ni chie wo ye dwuma de mana na Akufo-Addo enti ye hwon e ye due process the law is the law and no na wom enam so ya suspend was and na dey tina was ya suspend me and e dey be tina was ya suspend me na wo ye ho press conference na akwa was court $10 million na do come ba wukunu no bi aka yes aso fa compensate
amen
hey
and the law
captain and from kunu ko bukunu o ma kwa kwetwetwa apia dem di ama wo na kwetwetwa we sika bebem na aka yes
amen
But then ko do mi bi say report na and now kin kan ye
addresses.
What's it?
All friend addresses.
Addresses. Addresses ya kin kan ye. Say me refer to her as former
suspended.
Suspended.
Yeah, mama, and name ya Santwa wanya bi.
And the law is the law. Is the law.
Oh.
And the law is the law. Is the law.
The law is the law.
The law is the law.
And the law
is the law. Is the law.
Wanya na onya bi.
Oh. Obi.
Okay, this okay can we so no na obo chire call ECOWAS court right? This so ready wie no ne lawyers nyina atena se ewie ne kunu ekenkan bi wie ne abusiafo wie a ne decision ti ogina so call your friend say ECOWAS no obe withdraw and I said it was still
na case no da so wo ho
any bi oh e wo ho
ya can we ya can we
actually baby
ene mo me enkoya ni ma
okay
you encourage
but I dey so one say make girlfriend dam so na gira ma mi case mu saa
na ko nje
so na ye adwuma 1 pp Is the law.
The law is the law.
And the law is the law is the law. Those who said, and the law is the law, did not complete the sentence.
Because you,
dislocation
of shoulder. Baby, phobia. Say, or was of a penny be where we see a phobia, or more fun and shed them. No one pay a danchine. And Fenriano.
What is your name?
You know whom was so. Mamma, baby, Missy Baby will be a we see a phone pay a danchine. No more Fenriano. Bear 7 days. Because or the fin account one casano, or the fin account a busia, and the fin account. Baby will be a
told her.
Me say, and they are to the Busamo say, ain't the committee no. Say not by Papa friends at 10 crying. The near and there were 4 people from the back. 4 were Limuna, 8 people from the back. Or more body piano. Committee for the invited to be. And answer no one come home because you. Of at 10 crying. What's it? You will be a kai 30 years to carry about hospital.
Unya hospital there on poison. Oh dear, when I mean, yes, I just saw a cock head by her baby. Now, we yell now hospital partners, the doctor, one member of Panny. I want to because there are doctors in it, necessary about to work. So I would try, say, if you have to go when you go hospital, one member of Panny.
Shares as a way by Amma, Mikodo, Nipa, Fremna, say, hey. Na mimi tu engrofo am kasa minkabi kwadwo bekwan am minkabi ama kwan bra yi kwan minkabi na me de kitikiti bi is the law is the law
is the law
committee for that ma sesema be yemu ama de to
na say no ayu
but the point is
me minkabi
yeah mema oho
minkabi
ade bi o ho in reality, so we are now we are about who jet to home mount the bad check. Say, because you didn't baby at Samson. One I can't Bible who says Samson and a boy, your friend say.
Bible something. Yeah, holding.
Never Bible bone in your fancy. By who Delilah last for?
If you are
you who Jezebel last for. Say oba part me hwe me be ma din try na nhye da nye mo wa bia sa o cause ye yankasa natural ye papa ne Abraham ene ye nana ne Solomon
because je bin twa na say be ma o fare yirachi eye normal
ye nana
oba ko fa bia
ye papa ene Abraham
the law
to me hwe de yere Sarah ni a whole day she o say fa so ho Sarah me ni mo we me sister
the law
is the law
Solomon so oye nana nyansa so we wiase mu na so ono ni tribunal wo ono so ye mema
ya bodua na wie
o kan ma ne o de o wa wo mo no de o mo ye ne mprafo na bo je bi na o mo dodo ye sei told ya
mema
it is a oba modian na wo ba na friend Solomon pasolo no o pen ma told ya and you bia afford e wa na ade
Burakadesh.
Why now the pressure to Ubano?
Burakadesh.
Because research me on my way Japan actually say, Ben may be on him Yansa be apema.
Burakadesh.
Oh, Baba,
yeah, so you
Old Testament. Captain, Old Testament, the man Yanku push on Yakasiano, and Madi, and you would Gugana have you.
Hey,
Bible Musa, who per memo, per mapa, Bible Muno.
Okay, Old Testament. Sister, when someone bui. Obi ambo no wetimi ahwe nyame anim aka say ya boma won sama bu no wetimi dia asa wa to aso asen wo kom de won satum
chema na ye influence
e bad influence na na ye yo e wose wo mu na na flotte sa de
meba eti de kire won say asase so ye we say won di politician achi na politician e kire wo ade aye na politician ma wo ye sa ade na wo so gitum na wo ya ampa asem si a Otubededi say gay say Pedri
minister empanifo no ko ho no ye hu social media so ma me fa me san hye wa de mu wai na senyo
what me you feel gum
Oh, David.
Acheampong atade ni. Fa chechire. The man from Bawku said don't chechire won say board nsem dada.
And the law is the law. Those who said and the law is the law.
I was hit from the back. And they also pushed me here, so my hair.
Have a present. The hospital, they won't be moved. We are the sister. Hospital, they won't be.
Bone fracture.
And then the ball, metals be a ball.
Get it, anything.
On the temple.
I don't want to know her name, honestly. Or did I
name be me?
Yes, anything.
That's the most unfortunate aspect in it.
Yeah, what do you
hospital name is Lidino. I mean, the people around her misled her. And I'm not going to this.
Martin cry video.
But Captain Ne, my share a Ibia, Sarah Dankwa, only a period for nurses, Greater Accra Regional Hospital.
Also, confess some about.
Oh, see, Ralph Williams video now slappy pregnant senior nurse our Rich Hospital.
Abba.
Wako, my name a GH1 and Wako assassin will say, video. Na committee no answer or mo the video ni be call.
There be na committee here then of fail.
Na ni portrait say.
Bakatin.
Committee no a region penny fan representative. Na wo committee ni so. Dan kwa no bacho oyebe na kwaku bi chem kokko fan mu. Ona chinkrante ma menana. Onye ness. Onye the whole Greater Accra regional PRO. I didn't know one call region one for document the said video no. I'm a region penny fan.
See I invite you on to the
obi kura ye muni sem kwase ye guni se na musa wa video wo.
O say video no. O man from to the enye hwe.
No, but then any on can no ntum.
Me see ye day after day na ayi ba ye so come me na no so the hospital phone say gun hu
and go for phone school akwache no.
Obi ankoje na ade.
Phone say dey be che no.
Obi ankoje.
Ye twa ye ho aba sesia.
For ye to aso wo miama chidwumade so na ye de amam na ye bedi nkomo munim se no under NDC amemu mu no President John Dramani Mahama 24-hour economy ye adwuma pa na GH media onso se won so di akotidi ntintimai wo mu pa ya wo mu di dwumade kese sonko eba 24-hour economy TVET ye omo be pa ho entima enti anopa ye ni ora Leslie Adulistowell ene ehia e wo hase ene ne betwetwe nkomo e de afa won so no GH media 24-hour economy TVET education mo ba be ye no efa bay policies bay programs bay ena wo mo introduce a wo mo e de ba be ye adwuma. Leslie, good morning.
Good morning.
Boko dear.
Boko pa.
Ile nyame ase bibia boko. Abusia meni minu ya be ma je bi na ye etwetwe nkomo no. Se fashion design na moye bi ho mani bo je bi atade e hye no so di nyame no ne de bubo mu no a
oni mi aka ho asem kra
enti GH media obia nim ne moye wo krom ha sey ne ensentwefo de motiti bi pa ene ehu se mo de ada programs nso akeka ho ti say no 24-hour economy no policy bay and as a program bay and amodeba.
All right, enti meda wotie for ase na answer na make up policies no mamenka about GH media kakra.
Okay.
Nti sesia no GH media no ye enkrabata ba ko a ehye GH schools ase.
Okay.
Nti ye the media school no ene ehye ase. Ene ye hu se obekọ TV so a e wo so ye makeup kakra. Nti ye GH cosmetology school. I no ye sua a 3 year, ye sua makeup, ye sua nails, ye sua body massage ni ade nyina ene ye ka ho. Ena ye hu se obekọ TV so a obehye atade into the GH fashion school so ebe kan group no ho ena no so ade pa nkrofo no sua obesua children's wear obesua men's wear obesua ladies wear na afi wesua occasional wear na wesua suits and wedding gowns into ema school no etumpon pa ena yeku say uye program bia wie a e wo say odidi e wo say no nsuo into ye de catering school so ebe kan ho na catering school no so ade pa na yehu say we use equipment ewo studio no into the technology school so ebe kan ho the technology no is geared towards broadcast technology e no so ebe kan ho into na school no e koso kama school no na nyama papa ye wo ho no practical nature na ye ninti Nti ama nkrofo bebree eba na ye fashion school any ye catering school any even media school no ye nya overflow meka overflow na nkrofo ba ma ne broso nti omo ba na sa na ye fa ekosi baabi because technical education no e was say umma nipa no akande ne machines on be edwuma no nti ye fa na ye ntumi fa ma na broso nti ye fa na edu baabi na ye twa so resources na ye twa so one person one machine nti na was say omo maka no omo ba next semester na ye ka sa chiro ma omo call baabi foforo nti ye say government e the 24-hour economy program aba ene ye nso ye betumi e dey solve first of all your internal issues and internal problems say na be ya ye betumi aye normal school no normal streams no na ya san ye evening school no ye from 5 to 10 na ya san so aye dawn school no ye omo betumi aba anopapa from 4 to 8 na target audience
around 4 a.m. to 8 a.m.
Yes.
Around that time. Depending on baby and panity and some more hostel facilities.
Your hostel facility, but depending on baby and panity.
Okay.
Now the target audience no any nkrofo bebree ewo omo ye omo adwuma dada. Na omo adwuma no na ye omo source of living. Want to mean ja adwuma no embesua de. Nti that opportunity no wo homa obi a opese obesua ade osua ade ni wi a na afei wakọ ni school so saa so na obi nso o climb ladder no e wadwuma mu nti ye de panyin e no fa ha na wakodu ba bi wo no oni certificate bia this is the opportunity na want to mean join adwuma no nso it is the opportunity e bia wa ye adwuma na wi obetumi aba evening school ana e bia the schedule no e very flexible obeba school no owi a na wakọ adwuma na afi wanya certification ye fully accredited by CTVET into we are certification no CTVET for and the mount national certificate CTVET for.
I see.
So this is opening accessibility.
So contributing to the national agenda. This is an educational, the 24 educational policy. How is Momo they see they contributing to the national agenda because there's a portion where TVET EBM and a TV so ho no mo create e make sure say ko for be school no mo nyansa no nyuma ne na so mo de na GH media no how is yours contributing to the national education agenda?
All right, we have problem wo ho sesia and say accessibility to education no problematic. It's sure. For university cry no say wa fa na we twa so. So be accessibility ni so na be ya enkrofo bebree ebetumi esua de infrastructure na ebeboa but infrastructure ni ho nti say infrastructure ni ho the other option is say obema accessibility we be access na be enkrofo bebree ebetumi esua and when these people learn it is contributing to near what's the government here no you running program CTVET programs na more running no omo de enkrofo ni be buy school mo ho
oh sir really
aban atua hoka
I see.
See, so we are all contributing to national development.
Interesting.
You say I ade a wo yedada. TV said ya wabrobu so ye fashion no me ada ayi a ewo wo mu no. But I say no abana ya no official we say as a concept and as a programmer wo ma introduce. Enti won so do hu wura mu no what the kaya ka say abane de nkofo ba e ma motete om but omo create agencies and as be institutions omo mandate 24-hour economy and after to TVET sansa no adwuma no ne NEP no mo werekaje no mo office no ade do no ade a e bia wanya kwanya emiti wo mo and as bia mo no wo mo ka bomu aye project bia eno nso watu wana mo
and yes any omo ka bomu as such omo program no ewo ho TVET program no ewo ho voucher program omo aban eno ewo ho na eno kra we are registered omo de microphone bi eba ye ho yensu kakra yensu ye betumi aye no yensu ye bie access se obi anya kwan amfa TVET ni mu amba ono nso betumi aba abesua ade no normal saa e bia obi su woni sika enya afa na offer aban de ni mu enti ono nso epese ono ankasa ba na obesua ade enti eno akwanya no so ewo ho e ma obi bia opese osua de yes.
Is there any collaboration that said they okay money aban no collaborate na say oye wo de no so ye no de
Yeah, invite you, but you're too political.
Oh, no, but this is the national policy.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you are tapping into the national policy and the national discourse. So if there's any collaboration.
That's right. We will welcome any collaboration that are buying and now to me, but and we want to even charge every